Getting your medical marijuana card in Illinois is fast, easy, and completely legal. And with my MMJ Doctor, you can complete the entire process online through our safe and secure platform. Here's how to get started with the process. First, head to our website, select Illinois as your state, and click on Get Started. Begin by entering your name, email address, and phone number. In the following step, select your visit type and choose a convenient date and time. Click Confirm to receive an appointment summary immediately. Then enter your payment details to schedule your appointment. You'll also be asked to verify your identity by entering your patient ID number and uploading a valid photo ID. Once that is done, fill in your personal details such as your address, gender, birth date, height and weight, followed by your medical history, in which you have to select the medical conditions you're experiencing, list any medications or supplements, note allergies and family history, and upload any relevant medical documents. A pop-up will then appear to confirm your health record. Give it a quick digital signature to finalize your information. Your consultation with a licensed Illinois medical professional is then scheduled right away. Most consultations are brief, usually around 5 to 10 minutes, during which the doctor discusses your condition to determine your eligibility. If you get approved, your medical marijuana recommendation is uploaded by the doctor to the IDPH portal and also emailed to you the same day, often within a few hours. The next step is to log into your MCPP account to download your digital medical marijuana card. With your certification in hand, you can finally take a confident step towards managing your health naturally and finding relief.